It's a phishing trick, fake links hiding, looking legit. One wrong tap can risk it quick. Think before you click, don't fall for it. So real, but don't trust how. Logo clean, design so slick, but behind the screen it's a trap so quick. They spoof the name, they fake the face, clone the login, copy paste, and the password game is done. They steal your world in seconds gone.
Pause 1 second, read that link, check the sender, stop and think.
If it feels wrong, trust your mind. Hackers rush, don't fall behind. Think before you click. It's a phishing trick. Fake links hiding, looking legit. One wrong tap can risk it quick. Think before you click. Don't fall for it. Bank is locked, they play that fear. Verify now, they pull you near. No real service, that's your OTP. Don't ever share that one mistake, they clean you bare. Social engineering playing smart. They hack your mind before your heart. Not just code, it's human game. They win when you trust the name.
Hover links, don't just press. Small mistakes can cost you more. Turn on two-factor, stay more secure.
Simple steps, your shield, your cure. No sound, millions lost without a trace, no ground. But you've got power, don't forget. Awareness is the strongest net. It's a phishing trick, fake links hiding, looking legit. One wrong tap and it's over quick. Think before you click. Don't fall for it. Don't fall for it. Before you click, it's a phishing trick. Fake links hiding, looking legit. One wrong tap and it's over.